In this video, you are going to see how to insert a YouTube video in Google Slides. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Video. Now, let us type an URL over here. Let us go to my YouTube channel. Suppose I want to add this video. So let us click on right button over this video and go to this option. Copy link address and click on over here. Then the link will be copied. Now go to my Google Slides and paste the URL over here and hit enter. Then the video will be appeared. Click on this video and click on insert. Then the video will be inserted. In this video you are going to see how to change the you can adjust it like this. Let us go to insert and here you can play it very easily. In this video if you want to mute the audio, you can mute it from here and you can adjust it very easily. Click on over here and you can adjust it. And this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.